everyone, it's Linda. I'm going to talk to you beginner quilters. I know how tempting it is to jump in with something like a king size quilt. Please don't do that to yourself. It is not worth the struggle if you're just learning things like a 1/4 inch seam and all of what goes along with quilting. So I'm going to suggest start with something like a table runner, a pillow cover, a small wall hanging, a baby quilt at the biggest would be my suggestion. There's a lot of skill set in quilting that you're going to be learning right at the beginning. You'll be using that skill set forever, but learning it right at the beginning, there's a lot to learn, new terms, new ways of doing things. If you already sew, great. If you don't, you're learning to sew. Do yourself a favor and start with something small and move up from there. Don't move up to anything bigger than a baby quilt until you've made at least 2 of them. And the sky is the limit, but really think about the skill set required if you're choosing to go from your second baby quilt to a foundation paper piece or English paper piece or a different type of applique. Those are all skills. Those are new skills, and you're going to learn a new skill set, which is wonderful, but is that really the best thing for you at the beginning? So try to keep it small, and I wish you all the success in the world. Talk soon. Bye now.